Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Asana and sync tasks into your LinkedIn outreach plan. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your device and locate the Asana application. If you're using a mobile device, find the Asana app on your home screen or app drawer. Press and hold the Asana app icon until a menu appears. Select the option that says uninstall or remove. Confirm the action to uninstall and wait for the app to be removed from your device. If you're on a desktop or laptop, go to your control panel. Locate programs or applications, depending on your operating system. Find Asana in the list of installed programs. Right-click on Asana and select Uninstall or Remove. Follow the prompts to complete the uninstallation process. Now that Asana is uninstalled, it's time to sync your tasks into your LinkedIn outreach plan. Begin by accessing your LinkedIn account on your preferred browser. Navigate to your LinkedIn connections and identify your target contacts for outreach. Create a list of these contacts, noting their names and relevant information. Using a spreadsheet application or task management system, prepare to organize your outreach tasks. For each contact, define the outreach steps you'll take, like sending connection requests or follow-up messages. In your spreadsheet, create columns for the contact's name, outreach step, and status. Fill in the details for each contact to maintain clarity and organization. Once you have your outreach plan documented, refer back to your goals. Make sure each outreach step aligns with your professional objectives. Now, establish a schedule for following up with each contact on your outreach list. Set reminders for yourself to check in on contacts based on the timeline you've established. Periodically, review your outreach plan and adjust it as needed. Continuously track your interactions and progress in the designated spreadsheet or task management tool. Lastly, celebrate the connections you make through this outreach process. Monitor your LinkedIn engagement and adjust your approach for improved results over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.